Let's review how to create a post in My Private Shares. Begin by clicking this button, and you can choose whether you're looking to sell shares or buy shares. I'm looking to buy shares in this case. Let's say 20 shares. I'd like to spend $28 per share, and the math is done here for you. You have your choice of expiration time frame. You can choose 90 days, 60 days, 30 days, 7 days, and you also can choose whether you want to be anonymous or not. I'm going to choose to be anonymous so I can explain something. So if I go to all posts, I'll see here my own post, and I see my name on here. It's still anonymous. I'm only seeing my own name because I am logged in and I created this post. Everybody else on the platform will only see anonymous. You can see here that here's an anonymous, anonymous, anonymous. These are all different users. I can't see their name because I'm only logged in as me. You also can go over here to my post if you want to then go in here and make it inactive. That's an option that you have. If you decide you don't want to buy shares these days anymore, you can just make it inactive and go on with your day.